If you want to remove the collections icon in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to hide it from your toolbar in just a few simple clicks. This is a great way to clean up your browser, reduce clutter, and make Edge feel a little more streamlined. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This will open the main Edge settings page, where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. This section controls visual options like themes, toolbar buttons, and layout settings. Once you're in Appearance, scroll until you find the toolbar section. This is where Edge keeps the options for the buttons that show up across the top of the browser. Now look for the setting related to collections. You should see a toggle that controls whether the collections icon appears in the toolbar. All you need to do is switch that toggle off. As soon as you do that, the collections icon will disappear from the Edge toolbar, giving you a cleaner, simpler browsing experience. That's it. You've successfully removed the collections icon in Microsoft Edge. If you ever want it back, just return to the same place in settings, go to Appearance, open toolbar, and toggle collections back on. It's that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.